Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my kitchen. If this is your first time, you are welcome. I'm Chef of Shapla Kitchen. Today I'll show you how to make Nigerian seafood okra soup. Super delicious finger-licking seafood okra soup. The ingredients I'll be using are crocker fish, crab, palm oil, stockfish, seasoning cube, ngolo, habanero and scotch bonnet pepper, and onions. I'll be using okra, periwinkle, shrimps, crayfish, and Azuza leaf. I'll start with roughly blending my peppers and onions. Add my stockfish to the pot, add some water, add the blended pepper and onions mix, seasoning cube, and cook till it's soft and tender. If you are using snail, you can add it at this point and cook it with the stockfish. I cut my okra and I share it into two, 80% and 20%. I turn my 80% into a mortar and pound because I want my soup to be slimy and not so thick. Heat up your pot and add palm oil. Remember, don't bleach the palm oil. Let the pot be hot, then you add the palm oil. Add your peppers and onions mix. Stir a little. Add your crocker fish. Add some seasoning cubes, a little salt, and also your crab, and allow it to cook. To a clean pot, add my cooked crabs, stockfish, and also add my prawns. Add some more water. This is the pot we are cooking the soup. We have started cooking our soup proper. Add my seasoning cubes. Stir it and allow it to boil a little, and add my crayfish. At this point, you can taste your soup and see if you need to adjust with a little seasoning cube or crayfish. So I tasted mine and it was perfectly okay. I go ahead and add my pounded okra first. Some periwinkles, add the ngolo, and allow it to cook for like 2 to 3 minutes. Then I added my chopped okra, the 20%. This one is to help to hold the soup, while the pounded one is to make it slimy. That's the perfect consistency that I want for my soup. Allow it to boil a little. And yeah, our soup is almost ready. Then you can go ahead and add your Azuza leaf. And yeah guys, our super delicious Nigerian seafood okra is ready. Remember, I didn't add the fish. After removing the fish before I pour in the crab into the soup pot, I didn't add it again. At this point, you can pour back your fish into the soup or maybe put it in a cooler and serve. While if it's in a restaurant, you keep it separate. As you are dishing out the soup, you will be adding the fish just the way I'm doing it here. Thank you so much guys for watching this video to this very time. If you find this content interesting and you would like to push the video for others to see, please give this video a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'd like to hear from you in the comment section. Let me know the kind of food you would like to see me post in the next video. And to my returning subscribers, I see you all. Thank you for the support. Thank you for always stopping by. Thank you everyone. See you in my next video. Bye.